Now we can draw the next item. So the shape of the house is different, as you can see. And this is again a mushroom house, but not like the mushroom house that we have drawn in the beginning, but this is also a beautiful mushroom house. Now we can draw the next house. Here also we have a chimney and smoke is coming out. So this is also a regular house, not an extraordinary one. We can draw sun and the sky. We can also draw trees and plants around it. We move to our next item. This is also a normal, regular shaped house, and we have the chimney there and some smoke is also coming out. Then we can add a road to that house. Then there can be a tree. And what all things do we need extra? Do we need a sun, moon, or clouds? You can add anything as you like. So this is a typical house, and we can give colors to this picture. To the roof and the door I have given orange color. Then green can be given to the trees, sun can be painted red, trees and plants around it. So this looks very cool and good.